Hello Rosebuds, Goddess Tiffany Rose is here back once again with another self-care video, and I hope that you will enjoy. Please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share if you like this video. So today I'm going to be talking all about Urban Skin RX. Yes, the Urban Skin Company. I absolutely love them. I love their products because it works, and it's definitely made for people like you. Okay, so the two products, we're talking about two of their products that I received as a gift. Thank you so much for sending me this gift. Thank you, thank you. It's the Retinol Urban Skin RX, the Resurfacing Treatment Pads, and this is how it looks right here. These are the treatment pads, and this is the don't fault me for not being able to pronounce this word. Glucosamine lactic acid niacinamide. I got it out, but this is it. I hope I said it correctly, but if I didn't, don't fault me. But this is the liquid that comes with it, and so this is the liquid that you would use to pour onto the pads. It actually comes in this cute little box here. Let's see, we can zoom in on that. Yeah, that's the box. I absolutely love it. It's just so cute. But yeah, so this is it, and these are the actual pads. I'll show you them here. This is what they look like. They come white, but I've already poured a liquid on it and tried the pads out, and I absolutely love it. And so all you do, you take the liquid, take the top off, pour it onto the pads, let it soak all in there like that. Soak. Okay, you can toss this bad boy away. Okay, recycle it, trash it, whatever you want to do. And you take one of the pads out, and I do this after I fully cleanse my skin, take off any makeup or anything like that, cleanse and wash it, and I just clean my face, pat right here, get around the forehead, and I absolutely love it. I've noticed such a difference in my skin when it comes to the unevenness and the tone and all that good stuff, and it just looks much even. You know, sometimes you have dark spots and just like large pores, and it just don't look right. It just looks so dull and blah. This is it. And you just gently, you know, wipe your skin. Now you don't want to do this. Some people like this and just pull on their skin like that. Don't do that. Just gently wipe. Just gently. Your skin don't, you know, need all that abuse and pulling and tugging. Just love on yourself. Love on your skin. See? Just get it all like that. Get in the corners. We got large pores. Get in there. Yeah. Wipe up. And you wipe up. And there you have it, and just toss it away. Toss it away. Okay, but this is it. I absolutely love it, and it just works. I do this typically in the morning and evening, but they say after cleansing you want to wipe the pad over your face and neck area. I didn't do the neck area, forgot, but start with every other night and gradually increase to nightly use. So yeah, use it at night. Usually, you know, I'm at home, so if I take a nap or whatever, or sleep during the day, I usually sleep during the day, but that's why I do my face stuff during the day, but whatever. And I'm usually up at night. But whatever time before you go to sleep, you definitely want to use this product. And it's for sensitive skin. Well, for sensitive skin, you want to use 2 times a week. Avoid contact with eyes. Dryness and peeling of the skin the first 2 to 3 weeks is normal. Okay, so if you see that, it's normal. But me, I don't use this product every day because my skin is sensitive. So, you know, gradually work your way up. Okay, don't just use it every single day because you're going to notice some peeling and all that stuff happen, because that happened to me and I was like, what the heck is going on? And I was just using it too much because I thought my skin could take it. But when I decreased the use to 2 to 3 times a week, it was back to normal. Okay, so but yes, also this is the Retinol Rapid Repair Dark Spot Treatment. This is it here, and I absolutely love it. Let's see if we can get that to focus in for us. Bam, got it. And this is a cute box that it comes in. And this is also by Urban Skin RX. And it's the Retinol Rapid Repair in Dark Spot Treatment with kojic acid and niacinamide. Improves the appearance of uneven skin tone and blemishes. So it's basically even tone. So if you have uneven skin tone, dark spots here from acne, scars, hair growth, or whatever, the dark spots are there, this is your go-to. And I'm telling you, I used it for about maybe 4 to 6 weeks. I'm almost out of it, but I love it. And see, this is how it looks. I'm gonna show you right here on my finger the color of it. It's like a dark beige kind of color, almost creamy like. Yeah, there we go. That's how it looks. And I take a little dabble and I put it where my dark spots are. My dark spots are typically under the chin area because I suffer with PCOS and the hair growth and the acne, and oh my god, the struggles of PCOS. Those who all have it, you know what the freak I'm talking about. But it is a hassle. But this I found to be very helpful when it comes to lightening those spots. It really works really well. And you only need a little bit. You just tap in those trouble areas and bam, you know, there you go. So I absolutely love this product. You can put it, if you got dark spots here, wherever the problem is, tap it and keep it moving. Okay, so these are available on Urban Skin RX website, and you can also visit their Instagram page as well. I put their Instagram page on the screen for you all, so that way you can check them out. They are absolutely an awesome company. They're very friendly with good, awesome support, customer service. Definitely an awesome thing. So if you're looking to make your skin more even, fresh, more even skin tone, you got blemishes and dark spots, this company is the go-to. They have a host of many other products that I'm pretty sure you all will love to use and try out. So try them out, hit them up, let them know that Goddess Tiffany Rose sent you. Also, one other piece of news that I would love for you all to do for me. If you like the content that I bring, if you like the video that you just seen, I would love for you all to go to my Instagram page or go to my Facebook page and click the link to Sephora Squad and leave a testimonial and let them know how you like the videos that I do, the information that I bring, or you just like my energy, my spirit, my spout, any kind of compliment you want to leave, go ahead and do that. I am trying to get onto the 2021 Sephora Squad, and I would greatly appreciate it if you took the time, 2 minutes, write a couple sentences or a sentence or two, or just a smiley face, say we love her or I love her, whatever you want to say, you're free to say it. I would love and greatly appreciate that. So definitely, until next time, please stay safe, be blessed, and I love you all. Kisses to you all.